How to use partial instruments in Soundation. To begin, open your Soundation project. Then, click on plus add channel and select the instrument channel tab. Here you will find a variety of partial instruments including Simple Synth, Supersaw, DrumMachine and more. Next, choose the instrument you want to use and click on it. This will add the instrument to your track. Once it's loaded, you can start playing or programming melodies using your computer keyboard or MIDI controller. Now, let's talk about customizing your sound. After selecting an instrument, you'll notice a series of controls for adjusting things like pitch, filter, and modulation. Play around with these settings to shape the sound to fit your project. You can also layer multiple instruments to create a richer, fuller sound by adding additional tracks and selecting different instruments. Another great feature is the ability to use the built-in effects to further tweak the sound. These effects include reverb, delay, and EQ, which can all be accessed directly in the partial instrument settings. And that's it. Now you know how to use partial instrument in Soundation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.